Now, if you're like me and you always forget your passwords or you're tired of clicking the reset my password button, then you should check out today's sponsor, NordPass. NordPass gets rid of all the fuss around password. It autofills forms, remembers an unlimited number of passwords, and even generates complex ones for you. So don't be that person that uses the same password for everything, because it's not safe. NordPass also recognizes suspicious websites so you don't accidentally reveal your sensitive information, and you can stay safe online. Now today you can get 50% off NordPass at www.nordpass.com/Siobhan, or you could use my code Siobhan at checkout. NordPass is only $249 a month, plus you could get an additional month for free. So go ahead and check the links down below in the description. Use my discount code and enjoy safely browsing the web, and you finally could always remember your password. What's going on, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed that unboxing video, and I just want to say, Apple, please just ship my devices quicker. I've been waiting for like 2 weeks to get my iPhone SE, but it's finally here, and this is just my first impressions on unboxing video, so don't take it too serious. That's why I asked you guys on social. If you're not following me on social, you need to, because that's how you keep updated with everything I do. So I asked you guys on Instagram, the Telegram group, and also my YouTube community tab, and you guys had a ton of questions to ask about the SE, but let's just dive in and see what you guys had to say. Alright, so the first question came from Youngboy Jen. It says, is the SE better than the phone you have now? And that's no, because the phone that I'm rocking right now is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it's definitely not better, but it still could compete. But when it comes down to battery life, that's where this thing is gonna lose the fight. Now, what different colors came with the SE? So for the SE, they have the red, which I have right here, product red, which also supports causes for COVID-19. So if you want to help out, you can go ahead and buy some product red. Any product red devices from Apple supports COVID-19 for this period of time. They also come out, so yeah, it's red, black, and white. MKBHD colorway. Coincidence? I think not. And is this phone worth buying in 2020? Someone asked. Sulu, he asked that. And I don't know, to be honest, because you could buy like an iPhone X used, but some people are just picking and buying like used phones. So if you're someone like that and you just want a brand new device, probably for, I don't know, somebody who's not an enthusiast with devices, because as I said before, this isn't a phone you should be purchasing in 2020, in my opinion. When it comes down to the overall specs, it's good, but physical features and like the value you're getting for a phone in 2020, a brand new phone at that, I don't think it's worth, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion though. Like me personally, what I would do, I would buy like an iPhone 11, iPhone XR, something like that. That's just what I would do personally, just because I just don't really like the screen. But if that's something you could get over, then it's probably a good buy. How much storage? Now it comes in, I think 64 gigs for the base storage is what I have right now, and I think the max it goes up to is 256 gigs, if I'm not mistaken. Can it record 4K porn? That was an actual question. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and do that, you can do that. How much FPS can it run at Fortnite? I think the max FPS this could run is 60 FPS on Fortnite. Somebody said how it stay. That's Jamaican. It's good. Feels lightweight. Feature packed. Tons of stuff in here. I can't wait to do a detailed review. I said before, I only had it for like 40 to 50 minutes now, and I've been using it. Is this worth buying compared to a OnePlus 8 or OnePlus 8 Pro, because it's kind of pricey and the same in my country? Now that's something that depends on what do you like more. Do you like iOS? Do you like Android? Have you always wanted to dive into the iOS ecosystem? This might be the way to get your foot wet into the iOS ecosystem because of the relatively cheap price point, or the asking price that Apple is doing. But if you're like, you love Android, then the OnePlus 8 Pro is definitely going to be way better feature pack than this small screen, huge forehead and chin device. Is it worth buying over the 8? Well, I don't know. This is faster than the 8. I don't know. It just all depends. That's why I said before, can't really answer too much. I have to do a detailed review. Let's look at some more questions that I got from YouTube. My YouTube community tab. Y'all need to tab into my YouTube community tab. So let's look. Someone said you should do a filmmaking setup, add a tripod, an external mic, maybe a light. I'm looking forward to that video. Okay, buddy. Let's see how powerful it is compared to the iPhone 11, because Apple says the A13 chip that's inside the SE2. I'm sure the 11s are using that chip, so let's put it to the test. Alright, so I'll do a speed test between my iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone SE2. Let's see an unboxing, please. Honest opinion of the phone. Should you buy it or not? Comparison between your devices. So that means I have tons of video coming for you guys. And of course, you just witnessed the unboxing, the beautiful unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Next question. My friend wants to be the... Bruh. This guy said my friend wants to be the next MKBHD. What should he do? I don't know. Just post videos. Bruh, are you Jamaican? Yes. Unboxing and review. Unboxing part is finished. Review coming in the next week or so. Compared to the iPhone 8, I got you. Compared to the original SE, I already sold my original SE, so I can't really do that right now. The next question is unboxing right now, please. I already did the unboxing. So yeah, that's basically all the questions I had so far. And my initial impressions is that the phone is pretty cool. Like, at first I was hating on the phone because I just thought that Apple didn't do a lot of things well with the device. Like, for example, I said before, the screen, all of that, it doesn't have night mode. I heard the battery life sucks. But let me witness for myself. Let me try this out for myself. And then I'll tell you guys what I really think about the device. But overall, it's super lightweight. I love the glass back design, wireless charging, all of that jazz. But yeah, I'm going to put it to the test. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.